The decision right now could have lasting impacts on how districts are drawn across the South. We're talking about a major decision handed down by the Supreme Court today. ABC 24's Shakina Davis has more information on how Congressman Steve Cohen is reacting to this.
This ruling is already fueling calls for redistricting in Tennessee, and local leaders say the effects could reach Memphis voters. The U.S. Supreme Court's 6-3 decision in Louisiana versus Calais struck down a second majority black district, saying race played too large a role in drawing the map. The ruling limits how the Voting Rights Act of 1965 can be used to challenge districts, potentially making it harder to protect minority voting power. Soon after, Marsha Blackburn called for a special session to redraw Tennessee's congressional map, suggesting a new Republican-leaning district could be added in Memphis. Democratic leaders, including Ramesh Akbari and Justin J. Pearson, warned the decision could weaken representation for communities of color, including the 9th District. Congressman Steve Cohen says the ruling rolls back decades of progress under federal voting rights protections.
It means that the districts can be, for Congress and maybe other districts too, can be redistricted in Nashville by the state legislature to take away the minority voting of African Americans in District 9 and take Memphis and turn it into 3 different congressional districts, all of which Memphis will be a very small minority of. And Memphis will not have a congressional district of its own, and nor will it have a major influence. In essence, the African American vote in Memphis will be minimized and made irrelevant.
Cohen says any changes to voting rights laws should come from Congress as debate over redistricting in Tennessee continues ahead of the next election cycle. In Memphis, Shakina Davis, ABC 24 News.